Do you know Father's Day was booming? Spending hits a record $196 per person in 2023. So how to make your Father's Day sale campaign stand out? The answer: building a visually stunning Shopify Father's Day landing page with EComposer. Let's create one together. In this video, I will create a Father's Day landing page for electric massager product. Step 1. Install EComposer app in Shopify App Store. First things first, we need to install the EComposer app from the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click Add App, and then Install. This tool will be essential in creating a beautiful and effective landing page. If you haven't installed it yet, check out the link in the description box below. Step 2. Access EComposer Editor and start building a landing page. Next, from your Shopify admin, go to Apps and choose EComposer Builder. The EComposer app dashboard will open up. Click Start Building and select Landing and Pages. Option 1. Use a pre-made Father's Day landing page from the EComposer template stock. Then, change the images, content, products, and color schemes to match your brand identity. Option 2. Start by blank template. In this video, I will create my own Father's Day landing page from scratch. I suppose that this landing page will compound with 3 parts, which is Part 1. Brand Introduction, Part 2. Featured Deal and Product List, and Part 3. Frequently Asked Questions. Let's start with Part 1. Brand Introduction. First thing first is the stunning hero banner. Click and select a 1-column section with full content width and no gap column layout. To build this section, I will use the slider element. Find and drop it in this section's column, deleting all unnecessary slides. I just left one slide here. Now, choose the background image that reflects the father vibe. Now, add the description for this hero banner. Like text for this Father's Day. Give Dad this gift of relaxation, etc. Button linking to special Father's Day offers. And countdown promo. I will spend a few seconds changing the countdown design and countdown element. Then align all contents of my hero banner to the left side. To make this hero banner more festive, I will add a floating image badge in. Drag and drop the image element on here. Then flexibly pressing your mouse key to adjust its size. Then change its position. Finally, go to Slider Elements Design tab to adjust its margin and padding. Below the hero banner, I'm gonna create a new section featuring total brand ratings and service warranty like fast fee shipping, buy now or pay later, 30-day returns. Now, I will set the background color for this section. Then use inner row to divide this section into 2 columns with the ratio 25:75. In the left column, I'm gonna feature total rating of this massager brand from Amazon to increase its customer trust, just by simply configuring some element like icon, text, and image. And the right column, as mentioned, is for service warrant policies. I will use feature element to custom this column. Spend a few seconds changing this section's padding. And this is the outcome. In the next section, I will use to describe benefits of my selected products. Let's start with adding the title and description. Then go to the Elements Design tab. For example, here in the Heading and Text Element Design setting, you can change their color and typography attribute. Next, I will use inner row to add columns. Then drag and drop feature element to present, let's say, best-selling products key points to attract shoppers. I just need to create the first characters with the featured element into the first column. Then choose duplicate, then drag and drop this content type to other position. By that way, I can add the rest product key points and still keep the design. After explaining the powerful technical features of the massager, I decide to create from more blocks to showcase this brand's massager outstanding benefits, which are unique selling points. Just simply through row, heading, text, and image. And yeah, to simplify this section building path, I will add the content and change the standard design for the first block, then just right-click to duplicate and change other corresponding benefits, images, titles, and texts. To increase customer trust, let's add a social proof section. Customer reviews and testimonials are powerful tools for building credibility and encouraging new customers to make a purchase. This will include a heading, some stunning testimonials, and a video testimonial. To understand in details how to add the stunning video to your landing page, we have created a video to help you do that fast and easily. Check it out. Go to Part 2, Deal and Special Product Featuring. In the next section, let's highlight our featured deals and product list. Use the product box element to feature a hot item. I'll select a pre-made product box from the element preset. Then choose the item I want to feature. Every high-converting landing page all has this section. So remember to spend time working on Product Box Elements Design tab and making your featured product section informative and sparkling in your Father's Day landing page. And this is the outcome. Next, add a product grid to list more sale items. This will help showcase a variety of options and encourage more purchases. After selecting the product source to import on the eProduct Grid section, now I will spend time customize its design. Creating the border for the product grid. One of my favorite characteristics in EComposer Shopify Page Builder is doing various advanced settings for any element. Like here, I can make my product list's title in inline width, change its padding, margin, and position. Last but not least, add a frequently asked questions section to address common questions your customers might have about your brand and your Father's Day sales. This helps reduce any hesitation they might have and encourages them to make a purchase. To do this, create a new section with a heading and several question and answer pairs. Think about the most common queries customers have, such as shipping times, return policies, and product details. Now, it's time to publish your desirable Shopify Father's Day landing. But hold on, let's spend a few minutes double-checking the margins and padding of each section, and optimize the page for mobile responsiveness. And SEO. Step 3. Save and publish your landing. Once you're satisfied with your design, save and publish your Father's Day landing page. And there you have it. Your stunning landing page is ready to wow your customers and boost your sales in this Father's Day occasion. Try EComposer today to own around 120 plus page and 300 section templates. That's a wrap of the Create Father's Day Shopify landing page with EComposer. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering Shopify web design with EComposer. Happy Father's Day and happy selling!